Mhm.
What is a sustainability index? I'm sure there are sustainability indices, but does anybody in that's watching have any information about sustainability indices or indexes?
I mentioned briefly the manufacturing extension programs on one of these. I've seen
Really?
compromises. There's lots of compromises. So things like, jobs created versus, costs reduced. So they seem kind of at odds with each other. If you get, perform better and need fewer resources, you would think that, great, I need fewer resources. I can, either trick people out or let some of them go. So they almost all of them are like they're kind of a compromise and they're really imperfect and almost contradict themselves. But
Yeah. But we do need to get a grip on them. We need to
yeah.
focus and come together, and it could be an organization like ILSSI, ASQ. Somebody needs to get their shit together and produce some good metrics for trust, for sustainability, for resilience, and have these as part of the standard measures of success of a company,
Hmm.
or or of a country, or of a society, right? There's all these think tanks getting paid millions of dollars around the world for various,
Reports.
initiatives, and
Yeah.
we we need we need we need them to be they need to be paying attention to this. So what
Yep.
else? What else could we think of that better than productivity?
And I would
Um,
recommend to anyone who is especially in like a big multinational, and especially in the United States, if you are, I mean, nothing in the world, and this is going to sound, cliche right now, but nothing in the world beats just going out, watching how somebody does something until you are certain you don't understand it, and then going and having a conversation with them to learn.
mm,
Especially from kind of a leadership perspective, before you even, again, broach just the idea of productivity, it's a reflection of a production system. If you're not willing to go out and, essentially, shut your mouth for 5 minutes, stand out there, observe, take in just how much you don't know about this system that you're trying to divine, reason about.